Wow, ang ganda ng sunset namin ngayon. Thank you Lord for the beauty of your creation. Tingnan nyo, oh. Wow! Hi guys! Kumusta kayo? Ito na naman ako, si Marilyn, your friend, La Filipina Carpentera, here in America. Guys, medyo matagal-tagal din akong nakabalik dito sa aming construction kasi ang super init talaga dito guys. Oh my gosh, di kaya ng katawan. Pero thankful pa rin kami kasi umuusad naman yung mga gawain dito sa bahay, kaya lang napakahina ng aming mga contractors, but bali na konting pasensya na lang. It's beautiful.
Nice. Yeah.
Yeah, but I just don't like everything crumbling after.
Huh?
I don't like our driveway and our carport to crumble after, so we'll do it right the first time.
You're gonna wish you took that tree out when you try to start going your driveway. That tree right there.
No!
If you had that tree out, you guys would have a straight shot here, straight down the driveway perfectly. Yeah.
I love those
Trying
trees.
to go around this and trying to do that, you're gonna wish that tree was out of there. I'm telling you.
Just the one tree.
It's just the one tree. That's it.
Yeah.
Guys, ito yung pinagdidebatehan namin kasi gusto nilang putulin yung dalawang kahoy dyan, dyan. Kasi yung driveway daw namin, maliit pag hindi bibigyan ng extra space, kaya maputol yung dalawang kahoy. Sabi ko, huwag niyong putulin yung kahoy kasi ang dami talagang kahoy na pinutol namin para lang matayo yung bahay na yan. So we decided na mag-wrap around na lang kami ng aming driveway. At nag-agree naman si Corey. Yan talaga yung plano ko before. Sabi ko, wrap around na lang, tapos everybody was against it kasi daw blah 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 blah. Ngayon okay na yung asawa ko at everybody was agreeable to it, so I'm thankful for that. No.
Yeah, you have a straight shot right here where the stump is, driving in, or put the driveway here and then going around
Yeah.
to where you pull up to the front of the house.
Yeah,
And then
that
you go
was
right
what.
around straight to the drive.
So
The only
okay.
thing we need then is the clay and the fabric for the top. That's the only two things you need then if you guys are doing all this.
Yeah, we might get fabric. How much is it? $60?
Yeah, 60, 65.
Okay, yeah, we will provide it and bring it here. We'll leave it here tonight. Yan yung contractor namin, palagi na lang humihingi ng pera. Hindi naman kami maka-say no, hindi kami makaayaw kasi parang kailangan talaga niya yung mga materials. Akala ko yung budget na binigay niya sa amin, may materials na wala pa pala, my goodness. Pero at least finally, after almost 4 months yan, matapos na malapit yung mga project na pinagawa ko sa kanila. Guys, naawa ako kasi mainit talaga. Tapos almost 4 months naming hintay. Halos magmakaawa na ako sa kanila ba na, kailan pa ninyo, palagi na lang kaming nabibigay ng pera. Kailan pa kayo babalik para ikompleto nyo yung trabaho nyo dito? Palagi na lang, sa Monday pupunta kami dyan. Wala talaga. Kaya binigyan ko sila ng ultimatum and they had no choice. They had to come back kahit mainit guys. Naawa ako pero sabi ni Corey, they called for it. We've been waiting for months. So binigyan ko siya ng ultimatum. Sabi ko, pag hindi kayo mag-show up ngayon, babawiin ko lahat ng pera ko. Tapos hindi na ako sa inyo mag-order, hindi na ako sa inyo magpatatrabaho ba. Tapos yun, the next day guys, bumalik sila. Nako, it so happened na napakainit guys, sobrang init talaga. Nakakaawa guys, kaya lang parang inaabuso nila yung kabaitan namin ba. After like almost 4 months namin hinintay, halos magpakaawa na kami, wala pa rin, kaya binigyan ko na siya ng ultimatum. Almost 4 months kaming naghintay sa kanila. Tapos sabi niya, kailangan ito, kailangan yan. Nagbibigay kami ng pera. Tapos yun, hindi naman sila sumisipot. Yan, initially sinituate ko na yung aming mga cabinetries and ang refrigerator. Tapos yung iba ay sa susunod na araw na lang. Hindi ko pa na finalize yung situation ng mga cabinets, but that's how it would look. So I'm excited. Today medyo dolled up tayo kasi I'm going to meet my friend. She's from the Philippines but she migrated. Yung parents niya ay nasa Amerika na. And graduate siya ng, she's a nurse and she's working in California right now. And so magmi-meet kami for dinner and hopefully tomorrow we can meet again before they leave. Kasi anniversary nila, wedding anniversary nila. Itong friend kong ito, May malaki kasing Noah's Ark dito, yung replica ba, yung replica ng Noah's Ark sa Bible. Tapos nag-donate siya doon sa para sa isang plank Noah's Ark. So pinuntahan nila, hindi niya akalain na ganun pala kalaki. 4 stories, guys. But anyway, we're going to meet them for dinner. Medyo I just woke up, so I'm kind of like squinting my eyes kasi it's still very bright kahit na alas 6 na ng gabi. But anyway, here with me is my husband. Hi! As usual, ayaw niya magpa-makeup. Ayaw niya magpa-makeup. Do you want me to put on makeup on you? Because instead of saying as usual, he doesn't like to be on videotape. I said, as usual, he doesn't like to be made up. It's like, what in the world? But anyway, so hindi ko lang siguro videoan yung friend ko kasi alam mo naman Americanized na, tapos yung asawa niya is a foreigner din, so parang bihira tayong makakapag-video pag mga foreigner, guys, kasi yung nila, yung rights nila for privacy ayaw nating tapakan. So see you in a bit. Mwah. They're my friends from California and my husband. Say hello, 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 hello. Ha? Cute kay kagnawanghan ba? I said that she has very cute face. Yan na naman yung zombie car or Robocop car. Hi guys! Finally, na-deliver na ang aming washer and dryer. Hindi pa siya mapasok doon sa dapat niyang pupuntahan kasi kailangan pang tanggalin. Carbon box na yan. Tapos, kailangan ko pang tapusin sa inside ng aming washer and dryer area. And then finally, after so many heartbreaks, joke, yun, na-deliver na ang aming water heater. Naku guys, palagi na lang akong almost nagmamakaawa, i-deliver mo na, please, deliver na. Yung may-ari kasi nito, yung contractor ko dun sa labas. Tapos, humingi lang siya ng pera, tapos hindi niya dineliver. Sabi ko, please, deliver na, please, please, please. Ayaw pa rin, kaya binigyan ko siya ng ultimatum. Sabi ko, pag hindi mo pa ito i-deliver, canceled all our transactions natin. So, yun. As makita nyo, dalawa na yung door namin. You know why? Kasi yun yung door na bininta niya sa akin. That's like 2,200 something. Tapos ito din 2,000. Kaya lang, ang diferensya is this was my original one and this one is the new one. This is his. You know, pag titingnan nyo sa malapit kasi itong isa ito. Pero mas maliit yan compared doon sa isa. Yung isa is like 4 inches wider and then yung sa akin is 4 inches smaller. So, hindi nagustuhan ng asawa ko kaya gusto niya yung sa liwa kasi mas wider siya. Kaya yan po. Nagwagi yung asawa ko sa gusto niya. Parang walang diferensya, di ba? But actually, mas maliit ito kaysa dyan. But guess what, guys? Tadang! Guess what? Guess what? So, yan yung sala namin, di ba? And ito na po yung hitsura ng aming kusina. Tadang! So, yan na po. Kailangan pa ng dalawang cabinetries na kailangan dalhin dito. Kaya lang hindi namin nadala. Kasi maliit yung car namin. But by God's grace, yung mga malalaking cabinetries ay nadala namin without renting a truck to bring them here. So, yun, na-deliver ng mga appliances namin. Ito, ukay-ukay dyan. That's brand new washer and dryer and brand new stove. And, dishwasher. Brand new dishwasher, brand new stove, ukay-ukay refrigerator, and then brand new washing machine, washer and dryer. Gusto ko sanang doon bumili sa mga ukay-ukay ba for the dishwasher and the stove, and also this one. Sabi ng asawa ko, puro na lang ukay-ukay yung binili mo. Bili tayo ng bago kasi ayaw kong mag-maintain ng mga mura na So yun. But anyway, siyang nagwagi. Sabi ko, pera mo yan. O, di, sige, bili tayo ng bago. So yan na po. Tapos yung sa taas, kailangan ko pa ng isang cabinet dito. After that ay granite countertop na yung sa taas. At saka yan lang, it's an open concept, open from the kitchen, tapos yung dining namin ay magiging dito. And then, yan. So, I'm kind of excited because we are getting there finally. Kaya lang guys, yung mga pusa ko ba, inihian nila ito. Remember? As if may nanood. If you watch my other videos, meron akong video na ginawa ko ito. Ginawa ko ito sa kabilang bahay. And then, na-standby ito dun sa bahay. At ginawang urination station ng aking mga pusa. Kaya kailangan kong i-revarnish yan at saka i-repaint at tanggalin yung amoy ng baho ng mga pusa. Ay, nako. But anyway, ito na po yung stove namin. Yan. Yan po yung dishwasher. Tapos yung sink ay magiging doon. So, you will wash the dishes, put in the dishwasher, tapos dito ka magluluto, and your refrigerator is here. So, yan po yung update ng aming kaunting balong-balong na bahay. Yan. Medyo messy pa kasi hindi pa namin ma-situate lahat. Tapos, I will ask my carpenter to fasten all the cabinetries. Tapos, i-install ko nga, dapat i-install dyan. And then, after that, yung banyo namin na hindi matapos-tapos. Guys, ang init kasi, hindi na ako pumupunta dito for almost a week now. Kasi ang init talaga. Hindi ma-install yung yung aming aircon kasi kailangan pa ng gas pipe doon sa ilalim. Maghahanap pa kami ng ibang mag-i-install kasi yung contractor namin na contractor doon sa labas, ayaw ko na siyang i-hire, guys. Like, I'm already done with him kasi nga ang tagal-tagal niyang matapos. We paid him like almost for over 3 months already. Tapos hindi siya bumabalik. Parang iniwan niya kami. So yan lang po. And that is just my update for today. And I hope you are enjoying what you're seeing today. And I thank you all. And sa lahat na walang sawang nanonood sa akin. Ang hirap magtagalog. Bakit ako pinapatagalog, joke? Alas 3 na kasi, guys. No, almost 4 o'clock na ng umaga. But seriously, sa lahat ng walang sawang nagtatangkilik sa panood. Tama ba yun? Nagtatangkilik sa panood ng aking mga videos. I really thank you guys. And I thank God for you. Sana wag kayong magsawa. And bumababa pa rin yung watch hour ko sa YouTube. But then, I decided I would just continue filming for the sake of my family in the Philippines. Makita nila yung anong kagawa-gawa ko dito. Anong gawain ko dito sa America. But at the same time, I also have some few friends who are like really patiently waiting for my video. So, and I thank you. I thank God for that. And kahit na hindi tayo nagkikita, feeling ko na tayo, parang long time friends, because you made me feel like you've been watching my videos and you make me feel loved. So, salamat sa inyong lahat. And God bless you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Mwah.